In this video, we are going to do a basic edit in Adobe Premiere Pro. To make a basic edit in Adobe Premiere Pro, we are going to start by trimming a video, which we are going to use the selection tool or the razor tool. Okay, so we are going to start with the selection tool. To trim a video with the selection tool, you just select the selection tool and put the selection tool on the video you want to trim. Okay, put it at the end of the video or the beginning of the video. So as soon as you put it there, you realize that the icon will change. When the icon changes, all you can do now is to hold and drag to the position you want to trim the video to. Okay, so as I am dragging, you can see the timer is changing, and I can also see a preview of where I am currently in the timeline. So I can decide to trim my video to this point, and as soon as I leave or I release the mouse, you realize that all the video that was here previously is no more available. It's because I have trimmed it off. Okay, so now let's look at the best way of doing this. To trim it, you can select or move the playhead, just scrub through the video to the point you want to trim. Okay, and then you leave it there, come to the edge of the video, select it, and drag it to where you want it to be. So as soon as you get there, you realize that it will snap into place. Okay, it snaps into place, and it is snapping because we have enabled snapping on our timeline. Okay, we can choose to disable it, and we can drag the video around freely without it snapping to any point. Okay, so now let's look at trimming the video using the razor tool. Okay, to trim the video using the razor tool, we first select the razor tool and then move the playhead to the point we want to trim. Okay, in this case, this is where we want to trim. So now we use the razor tool to make a cut at the point we want to trim. Okay, now we'll go back to the selection tool and select the portion we don't want, hit delete, and that portion is gone from the video. Okay, if you want to trim from the back tool, it's the same procedure. You can just hold the video and drag it in like this, or you can use the razor tool, cut the points you don't want, use the selection tool, and then delete the point you don't want. And that is it.